Have you ever wondered what reality truly is? Not just what we see, but the invisible framework that holds the universe together. The strange dance of particles and probabilities that defies common sense? Welcome to the mind-bending world of quantum reality. A world where cats can be alive and dead at the same time, where particles communicate instantly across light years, and where the very act of observation can shape existence itself. Today, we're diving into how quantum reality doesn't just underpin the universe, it literally creates it. This is not science fiction. This is the secret architecture of everything around us, and perhaps even the key to unlocking mysteries we've only dared to imagine. From the tiniest quark to the vast cosmic web of galaxies, quantum rules govern all, silently dictating the rhythm of reality. But what does that really mean for the universe we inhabit? And more importantly, how can phenomena so strange on a microscopic scale influence the structure and fate of the cosmos itself? To understand this, we need to journey into the heart of quantum mechanics, a realm so alien it makes the strangest science fiction seem ordinary. Imagine, for a moment, a world where certainty doesn't exist, where the universe is not made of solid blocks, but probabilities, a vast quantum foam of endless possibilities. In this world, particles don't have a fixed location or velocity until we look at them. They exist in a superposition, a cloud of potentialities that only collapses into a single outcome when observed. It's as if the universe itself is waiting for our attention, shaping itself in response to the act of observation. But this is more than a mind trick. Experiments such as the famous double-slit experiment show that even light and matter exhibit this duality, acting as both particles and waves depending on whether we watch them. The simple act of measurement fundamentally alters reality. Visualize it like ripples in a pond. Throwing a pebble changes the pattern of waves, but in quantum reality, even deciding to observe the ripples might change the motion of the pebble itself. This is not just theoretical speculation. Quantum phenomena drive the mechanisms behind technologies that power our world, from lasers to superconductors to the computers in our pockets. But on a cosmic scale, their influence is even more profound. Take, for instance, the early universe, moments after the Big Bang. It was a seething quantum soup, a cauldron of particles flickering in and out of existence. Tiny quantum fluctuations, minute variations in density at the smallest scales acted as seeds for everything that followed. Galaxies, stars, planets, even life itself, all emerged from these quantum whispers. Without them, the universe might have been an empty, uniform void. So these ghostly subatomic jitters are not just curiosities. They are the architects of cosmic structure. And here's where it gets even more mind-blowing: quantum entanglement. When two particles become entangled, their states become linked, no matter the distance between them. Change one and the other responds instantly. A phenomenon Albert Einstein famously derided as spooky action at a distance. Yet, countless experiments confirm this happens, defying classical intuition and challenging our understanding of space and time. Imagine two dice, one on Earth and one on Mars. Roll one, and the other instantly mirrors the outcome. That's quantum entanglement, not just a quirky property of particles, but a window into the interconnectedness of reality itself. Some researchers speculate that this entanglement could play a role in the very fabric of spacetime, perhaps even contributing to the mysterious force known as dark energy, which drives the accelerated expansion of the universe. If true, quantum mechanics might not just explain the microworld, it could be key to understanding the cosmos at the largest scales. But how does this abstract, almost poetic quantum strangeness relate to our everyday experience? After all, we don't see cats simultaneously alive and dead on our desks, nor do our phones randomly phase in and out of existence. The reason is decoherence. As quantum systems interact with their environment, they lose their strange superpositions and settle into classical states we recognize. The macroscopic world appears stable because quantum possibilities collapse into the familiar reality we experience. Yet, the underlying quantum framework remains, silently shaping everything from the motion of electrons in atoms to the fusion reactions in stars. And here is a twist that might surprise you. Some physicists propose that consciousness itself might play a role in this collapse. While highly debated, interpretations like the observer effect suggest that the act of awareness could influence which of the infinite quantum possibilities becomes reality. Could it be that by merely observing, we participate in the creation of the universe? It's a provocative idea that blurs the line between physics and philosophy. Meanwhile, Quantum reality is fueling revolutionary technologies that may transform our future. Quantum computing, for instance, leverages superposition and entanglement to perform calculations impossible for classical computers. These machines can simulate complex quantum systems, potentially solving problems from drug design to climate modeling in ways previously unimaginable. Quantum teleportation, another frontier, allows for the instant transfer of information via entangled particles, a concept straight out of science fiction, yet grounded in rigorous science. These technologies are not just experiments. They hint at a world where quantum principles move from theory into tangible applications, fundamentally reshaping our interaction with reality. But let's step back to a cosmic perspective. The universe, as vast as it is, appears governed by statistical regularities that emerge from these quantum foundations. The star's formation, black hole dynamics, even the cosmic microwave background radiation, the afterglow of the Big Bang all reflect the subtle influence of quantum mechanics. It is humbling to realize that the same rules dictating subatomic particles also sculpt galaxies billions of light years across. Quantum reality is both microscopic and cosmic, intimate and universal. And yet, despite its strange rules, the universe is coherent. Patterns emerge, laws persist, and complexity arises. Life itself, from DNA's double helix to the neural networks of our brains, thrives because of these quantum underpinnings. Some researchers even investigate quantum effects in biological systems, such as photosynthesis in plants or the magnetic navigation of birds, suggesting that life may have evolved to harness quantum phenomena directly. This intersection of quantum mechanics and biology, sometimes called quantum biology, opens tantalizing possibilities, hinting that reality as quantum nature might not be just a backdrop, but an active ingredient in the emergence of life. And what about the mysteries that still elude us? Quantum gravity remains one of physics' greatest puzzles. How do we reconcile general relativity, the elegant theory describing the curvature of spacetime, with quantum mechanics' probabilistic rules? A search for a unified theory, often called the theory of everything, aims to reveal how the quantum microcosm and the cosmic macrocosm coalesce. Concepts like string theory, loop quantum gravity, and the holographic principle suggest mind-bending possibilities. Perhaps spacetime itself is emergent from quantum entanglement, or the universe is a holographic projection where information, not matter, forms the ultimate reality. And here's the ultimate twist. If reality at its core is quantum, then the universe we perceive, the stars, galaxies, and planets, is just one of countless possible realities, each branching from quantum probabilities. Some interpretations of quantum mechanics, like the many worlds hypothesis, suggest every quantum decision spawns parallel universes. In this view, there isn't just one universe, but a vast multiverse, each universe shaped by the outcomes of quantum events, some almost identical to ours, others unimaginably different. It's a staggering idea, yet it emerges naturally from the mathematics of quantum mechanics. Visualize it as an infinite tree of branching possibilities, each branch a universe with its own laws, histories, and futures, all coexisting within the grand quantum reality. But the implications aren't purely theoretical. If we can one day manipulate quantum systems on macroscopic scales, could we influence reality in ways previously deemed impossible? Could quantum engineering allow us to tap into this underlying matrix of possibilities? Science is only beginning to explore these frontiers, yet the potential is as vast as the cosmos itself. Quantum reality challenges our notions of determinism, causality, and even the nature of existence. It teaches us that uncertainty is not a flaw of the universe, but its fundamental characteristic. The universe is not a clockwork mechanism, but a symphony of probabilities, playing out across scales from the infinitesimal to the infinite. Understanding quantum reality is not just about physics, it's about gaining insight into the essence of reality itself. Every particle interaction, every photon of light, every decision we make unfolds within this quantum fabric. We are both observers and participants, living in a universe that is stranger, more interconnected, and more dynamic than classical intuition ever imagined. And yet, for all its strangeness, quantum mechanics provides profound beauty. The equations that describe superposition, entanglement, and uncertainty are elegant and precise, revealing patterns and symmetries underlying apparent chaos. The universe, from quarks to quasars, follows these patterns, a testament to the deep order hidden beneath the veil of randomness. As we continue to explore, experiment, and observe, we uncover not just how the universe works, but how intimately we are connected to it. Quantum reality is not a distant abstraction, it is the very medium through which existence unfolds. And so, as you gaze at the night sky, consider this: each twinkling star, each spiral galaxy, each cosmic event traces its roots back to quantum beginnings, fluctuations in a primordial soup of potential. Every atom in your body, every thought in your mind, every life on Earth owes its existence to the strange, beautiful, and unfathomable rules of the quantum world. Reality is not fixed, not certain, not rigid. It is a dynamic tapestry of possibilities, woven by the principles of quantum mechanics, shaped by observation and experienced as the universe we inhabit. From the microcosm to the macrocosm, from the flicker of a particle to the glow of a galaxy, quantum reality guides, molds, and sustains everything. And the journey is far from over. Physicists continue to probe deeper, asking questions that challenge the very fabric of existence, daring to imagine worlds beyond our own, exploring the multiverse, quantum consciousness, and the uncharted landscapes of quantum gravity. Each discovery pulls back the curtain on reality's deepest layers, revealing a cosmos even stranger and more wondrous than we ever imagined. So next time you wonder why the universe is the way it is, remember, at the heart of all matter, energy, space, and time lies a quantum truth. Truth that reality is not merely observed but continuously created, coalescing from infinite possibilities into the universe we know. And perhaps in understanding quantum reality, we are not just observers of the cosmos but active participants in its unfolding story. The universe, in all its grandeur, is both a stage and a script. And quantum mechanics writes the lines in ways that continue to surprise, mystify, and inspire. So if this journey into the strange and wondrous world of quantum reality has sparked your curiosity, dive deeper. Explore the experiments, the paradoxes, and the cutting-edge research that pushes the boundaries of what we know. Discuss it in the comments below, share your thoughts on the mysteries that fascinate you, and let's unravel the quantum tapestry of existence together. Don't forget to like this video if it blew your mind and subscribe to Cosmic Horizon Hub to join us as we explore the universe's most profound and mind-bending secrets. The adventure has just begun, and reality itself is waiting to reveal more of its astonishing story.